Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you how to connect smartphone to car via Bluetooth. To pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth, let's go to Settings and now go to Bluetooth. Switch this button to enable Bluetooth and go to Add Devices.
Select it once it is found.
Now on your smartphone, let's go to Bluetooth Settings. Select FORD Focus from the list.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Confirm pairing
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
and it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.